Cumin cauliflower tomato roast or cumin cauliflower tomato casserole or cumin cauliflower tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin recipes and one of the most different of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Gobi recipes and one of the most delicious of the Gobi Tamatar recipes. We're going to make cauliflower tomato cumin casserole. We've taken around 200 grams of cauliflower cut into pieces, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 onion cut into pieces, a spoon of cumin seeds, around 15 grams of ginger, 20 to 25 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, and 1 green chili. And pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in cumin seeds. Salt. Put in the garlic. Salt thoroughly. Put in the onion pieces. Some thoroughly. Put in the shallots. Saute the shallots and the onions with the rest of the mixture. Ginger. Salt the ginger. Put in a spoon of chili powder, a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of mixture spices. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Sort and mix thoroughly. Cauliflower pieces. Sort and mix. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 to 300 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the green chili, cloves, and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Put in some curry leaves, mix, and let this mixture cook for a minute. Cumin cauliflower tomato roast casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Cumin cauliflower tomato roast casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the cauliflower recipes and one of the most delicious of the Gobi recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.